What's up everyone and welcome back to the WrestleVote Wrestling. Today we got a massive update. Roman Reigns injured and the Usos potential reunion. CM Punk throwing shade at Seth Rollins, the end of the Peacock era, and John Cena farewell too. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the daily wrestling news. Let's get started with Roman Reigns injury and the Usos update. After clash in Paris, Michael Cole confirmed Roman Reigns suffered multiple fracture ribs and is out indefinitely. Paul Heyman also has a larynx constriction. This is not a storyline week. The top guy in WWE is suddenly off TV and the ripple effect is huge. Let's talk about Jey Uso on yesterday Monday Night Raw. Jey seemed broken saying, "I need you, I can't do it," until Jimmy came to save him from Braun and Bronson. With Roman out, this set the stage perfectly for the Usos to reunite. Timing couldn't be better. They could easily reclaim their spot as the top tag team in WWE history. CM Punk continues to stir things up. Becky Lynch slapped him during a recent encounter and he shot back, "You were gonna regret putting your hands on me." Becky also roasted the crowd, chanting for AJ Lee. Classic Punk mind games. And then Punk called out Seth Rollins saying he hid behind his titles. Paul Heyman, Bronson Reed, Braun Breaker, even his wife. Punk is back on a mission to prove he's still the best and the tensions are at an all-time high. The mind games are insane and this feud is hitting up like never before. Peacock era and John Cena farewell. Big news, WWE PPV on Peacock are officially done after running from March 2021 to August 2025. From now on, premium live events will stream internationally on Netflix, starting with WrestlePalooza on September 20 in Indianapolis. A fresh new era for WWE and fans should be excited. And let's talk about John Cena. John Cena is down to just 8 appearances before retiring. Seeing him backstage at Clash in Paris with Logan Paul and Kurt Angle make it real. The man is stepping away and we should savor every moment. Cena farewell tour is officially underway and every appearance counts. Quick backstage updates. The Rock recently got a 15-minute standing ovation for his new movie, The Smashing Machine. Emotions were real and the crowd showed their love. Seeing a superstar like him touched is something else. Rhea Ripley and LA Knight were spotted doing a secret handshake backstage after Raw. The chemistry is unenable. Rhea also announced she going after the Women's World Championship post WrestlePalooza. Whether it's Io Sky or Stephanie Bouquet, she coming for the belt at WrestlePalooza. Let's talk about Grayson Waller. Grayson Waller did what he does best, wrestling Judgment Day on Raw. I don't think they even defend the tag titles. Weird noise backstage apparently. It was the PS5. Classic Waller, funny, bold, and always keeping the locker room on its toes. So guys, that's all for today. WWE Chaos, Roman injury, Netflix PPV or Cena farewell. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comments, and which story shocked you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to WrestleVote Wrestling for your daily wrestling fix. More breaking news tomorrow, same time, same channel. Stay awesome and stay key fab.